The Shastri Group of Companies, established in 1961, pioneered a new realty trend in yesteryear Bangalore. Developing the first planned residential layouts. It was a successful beginning for Mr. CVL Shastri, the founder of the Shastri Group of Companies.
I am very proud to state that my company has given size to people without thinking which economic strata they come from. I am proud to state that I have served the society for more than 45 years.
Mr. CVL Shastri was bestowed with prestigious awards including the Dada Saheb Phalke and Karnataka State Rajyotsava. Having developed many residential layouts and commercial projects, Shastri Group today stands tall alongside New Bangalore as a proud developer who manifested the unprecedented growth of Bangalore and Mysore. Blooming under the canopy of the Shastri Group, the flagship company Skytop Builders was established in 1986. Today, Shastri Group of Companies has developed more than 85 projects with 97 million square feet of land in Bangalore and 16 million square feet in Mysore. More than 35 esteemed housing societies of public and private sector companies are partnering the growth of Skytop Builders. Under the leadership of Mr. B.L. Nagendra Prasad, today, Skytop Builders is recognized as a pioneer real estate company. The first of its kind in Mysore, a mega project, Skytop Golf Village, is just 2 hours drive from Bangalore and well connected by air and rail. Quiet, charming, pristine green Mysore will have yet another reason to be proud of with its very own first 18-hole international standard golf course being designed by the International Golf Course Architects, Messrs. Swan Golf Designs from UK and Messrs. Greg Norman Golf Course Design Company, USA. The master planners for the Skytop Golf Village are Messrs. Arch Group, Dubai and Messrs. Center for Design Excellence, Bangalore. The Skytop Golf Village project is approved by the Department of Industries and Commerce and by the Department of Tourism, Government of Karnataka. Jeev Milkha Singh, an ace golfer, is the brand ambassador of Skytop Golf Village. The traditional Bhumi Puja was carried out in his presence on an auspicious day.
As you can see, I've endorsed the Skytop Golf Village.
The Skytop Golf Village is truly heaven on earth for golf lovers. Skytop Golf Village is being developed in over 602 acres of prime land on the Mysore-Mangalore Highway, Elvala, Mysore. Skytop Golf Village is the sheer epitome of life, lush green with the finest of all. The Skytop Golf Village includes an executive clubhouse, deluxe rooms, 24-hour coffee shop, lounge bar, swimming pool, health club, badminton, table tennis, billiards, tennis, and more. It also includes jogging tracks and playgrounds. The first 9 holes with full-fledged driving range, clubhouse, villas facing golf course are nearing completion in the first phase. The next 9 holes with other amenities will be completed in the second phase. As the new era dawns upon us, we join hands with you to deliver a new way of living and a new vision of a better tomorrow.